Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Figma app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Figma is a collaborative design and prototyping app used by UI/UX designers, product teams, and developers. The mobile version of the app is designed primarily for viewing designs, leaving comments, and checking progress on shared projects. It allows users to stay in sync with their team, review updates, and give feedback on the go, all while maintaining access to the latest file versions in real time. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is smooth, minimal, and focused on utility rather than full-scale editing. Users appreciate how easy it is to view designs, especially during team discussions or when reviewing with clients. Commenting is seamless, notifications are reliable, and syncing with desktop work happens instantly. But it's not a complete replacement for the desktop experience. Some users are disappointed by the lack of editing tools on mobile. You can't create or modify designs from scratch. It's strictly for reviewing and communication. Also, large files or complex prototypes may take time to load on certain devices. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Figma's mobile app is perfect for collaboration, design reviews, and staying connected with your team. While it's not built for hands-on designing, it complements the desktop version very well and is a must-have tool for designers on the move. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.